Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change the size of the viewfinder, and you can also select resolution of your recording. It could be high resolution or medium, and you can also record touch points. So to start recording you just have to tap this button Screen Record once, and after that recording will start in 3 seconds. Or you can pause it by tapping on this circle. Recording starts. You can switch your microphone, you can disable it, enable only system sounds, and you can enable microphone and system sounds. You can enable your small video here. And to stop recording, just tap on the red square, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. And here it is in the screen recorder section. And here is our recording. Microphone and system sounds. You can enable your small video here. And that's how it works. If you want to share here, from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.